Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Mr. Lama Rep Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back after a long hiatus. 4 days. Calm the fuck down, people. It was only 4 days. We were in New York City causing mayhem and chaos and all of the above. It was wonderful. We had an absolutely great time. Llama, how you feeling, Poppy?
Banged up, twin.
Oh,
Still banged up.
Yeah, the trip was amazing. We had an amazing trip. We had a really amazing trip. There was one thing that happened that wasn't so cool, but we'll get into that. I mean, we could definitely talk about that. There was one thing that definitely wasn't cool, but how was your guys' Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday? How was everybody's weekend? Did you guys all have a great weekend? Close out the week strong. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of stressing, Mom. I'm kind of stressing.
Be stressing.
Just thinking about, our trip. The trip was amazing, guys. Literally, it was amazing. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better trip. That was the first time in my life I hit New York City as an adult who has found a little success for himself. And it was nice to just fucking do it. You know what I mean? Like, really just go do it. Like, we went to Cat's Deli right off the jump. We went to Cat's Deli, got absolutely filthy on some pastrami sandwiches. Pastrami piled high that you fucking... It was so good. After Cat's Deli, we met up with Owen, so we got to meet Owen. That was great. And then I had to go to a dinner. Went to a dinner. Ooh, I'm liking the long right here. Hold on. I'm liking the long right here. I'm going to be more patient. I mean, obviously, we see a massive move here, but this fucking thing is looking really good. The long is looking really fucking good. So yeah, when we had a great dinner, I had a great dinner with the CEO of Public, the broker. We went out with the CEO. I met Tanya Trades. Tanya, she was sitting next to me as well. I got to meet Tanya. She was fucking badass. She is dope. Definitely a dope ass trader who's also down to come on the Big Daddy Morning Show and trade with us. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. That was a lot of fun. Got to meet a lot of people. And then obviously the next morning, called in a favor. Your boy went and hit the New York Stock Exchange, which was crazy. The craziest thing, and I don't think I'll ever get it, Llama, is I'm on the New York Stock Exchange and people are coming up to me asking for photos. People are like, yo, are you Max? And they're asking me for photos. Bro, I'm on the New York Stock Exchange floor. And motherfuckers are, bro, you see me smiling back there? I'm taking pictures with people. People are coming up to me being like, yo, can I have a photo? You're Big Daddy Max. Oh my God. Like, I see all your content. Crazy. Actually crazy. Hey, your boy was clean though. I'm not gonna lie. I put that thing on, boy. I had that light navy. I had that light royal blue suit on with the cream undershirt. Ooh, your boy was cooking with gas.
Yeah, I'll rip. You were kind of sticking though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, your boy was cooking with gas. And so the New York Stock Exchange was absolutely amazing. We had a great time. Me and Peter Tuckman, man. Shout out Peter. Peter is a cool fucking dude, bro. Like when you actually meet him in person, this dude was cool as hell. We had a great time. Nothing but big shout out to Peter Tuckman. Nothing but respect for the guy. His son Benny and his whole team there. They're fucking dope, bro. They were so dope. You don't even realize how cool they are. And his recent fame with and everything is so deserved. So we're also going to have Pete. Pete wants to come on the show now. So Pete Tuckman, the Einstein of Wall Street, will be joining us on the show here soon. Not today, but we're going to get him in here. And that's going to be awesome. That's going to be hella awesome. So I'm wondering if we stall out here a little bit, Llama, or if we're going to go for it. I wonder if we stall out here and we pull back. I think if NQ...
This is where it could reverse for me, but if it keeps going, it's going to rip for like a while.
Right.
I'm area of indecision.
I'm looking at SPX. I'm looking at these wicks, and I'll tell you right now, if SPX makes a newer low, I'm going to play this little down move. I'm going to play this down move. Yeah, I really like it.
Would give me an entry.
Right. Yeah, I want to see it drop all the way down to like 35-ish. That would be very nice. Down move here. If it does collect some, there it goes. Nice. Come on, SPX. Give it up. Give up that booty. Give up that booty, SPX. There it goes. Beautiful. Beautiful down.
Everything.
Beautiful down move. I'm on this. I'm on this. I want to trim one. I want to see if we get down to like 33, 35. One more continuation down is all we need to hit the first PT there. I'll put a stop loss at break even because I don't mess around with letting green trades go red. Not on Mondays. Not on Monday. You're gay. Yeah, so New York was absolutely amazing. Come on, give me 30, give me 34. Hit it. Hit me one time for the one time. Ooh. There's first PT right there on the short. Beautiful. First PT hit right there on the short.
Problem is here is we got FEG. So we printed through the first one. I want to see if we go through the rest.
Fake.
Just such a tricky area, bro.
Blah, blah, blah. All right. I trimmed one and almost stopped for break even and edging my stop. I'm out. 450 on that one. 450 on that one. On the cash account right there. Boom. $450. I'm out. $450. Yeah. There's the entry. There's the exits. My stops. There's the cash account. There's the profit. There's the cash account. There's the profit. Small win. $450 is small. Logging off for the day. Get real. Those wick zones, man. I'm telling you though, they're strong.
It's just such a tricky area, bro. Like this would be like my typical A+ setup, but the problem is we have so much areas on top where it's like,
right?
Is it gonna reverse from here?
Well, it's testing a peak. It's testing a peak right here. Could definitely break out.
I think it's just gonna break and go. Like it shouldn't have came to take out this candle's high.
There it goes. There it goes.
For me, it's bullish.
Well, yeah, it's gonna have to drive up. I think it could go green on the day.
I mean, green is what, 14 points away? I think it definitely goes green on the day.
Now, yeah. SPX dragon booty hole. What a dumper here. Back into the short.
Good. Yeah, sure might have been good here. What's happening?
I'm about to jump back on it.
Yeah,
I'm about to jump back in. I'm about to just jump right back in on this short right now. Oh yeah. I like the break of that. I like the break of that little neck. SPX is breaking a little trees and trim there.
I got the picture in this motherfucker. God damn.
Previous high is at the little 28 to 23 range. Yeah, I like this break.
Continues or not?
I like this break. SPX a little strong, but I like the breaky break. Here we go.
I got filled like at 32. ES is getting aggressive. NQ is stalling. ES bottom side orb already on the 5-minute. NQ just sitting at midline.
Hey, daddy. There we go. There it is. I'm holding it. I got my stop at break even. Oh, it stopped me right out. It popped right up and stopped me, but I really like the short. I got stopped out right there. There's my second trade. I'm logging off this cash account. And there it goes. You dirty dog. You motherfucker. I got to switch accounts. Hold it down, Lama. I got to switch accounts. I'm off. One and done. We're switching accounts. All I do is win, no matter what.
It's still stalling though. Like it's not really going. That's the problem I'm having here.
Oh, there it goes. First PT hit on that one.
Goes or not?
MVG filled, dripping down. I would want to see it come all the way down 10 more points. I want to see this come all the way down 10 more points. Beautiful short.
Oh my God. Yeah, this stall out, that was a perfect. I'm telling you, so the little FEG, take it to the bottom one. If it printed through, it would have been good, but that trail took me out perfect. You're able to secure like $400, but
I'm on the new account
with 3 minnows.
SPX looks like it could be creating a potential lower high here. We got a PLH. And Q's very bullish. Well, this is a peak. This is a peak right here. If it does confirm above the previous candle on NQ, I probably will go long. Yeah, I'm probably going to try and test the long here, Llama.
I like the long here. I like it a lot.
Just need to see SPX
breaking retest of midline.
SPX needs to just get above 52 in a couple quarters, or maybe just under 53. If SPX can get above 53, this long is going to print at least to a newer high. Let's see what happens. SPX, get your sweet ass up there. There it goes. Yeah, it goes here. And Q not going now though. Yikes!
A lot of divergence, bro. Yeah, a lot of divergence today. That's what I was talking about in pre-market, the divergence. I seen it early, like at 9 a.m. I wasn't a fan of it.
My first price target on SPX is 53.25. If we get up to 53.25, then NQ should hit first PT as well. Here it comes. It's going to probably pop up right here and test it. right there. Bang, bang. Beautiful, beautiful. And but NQ dumping.
NQ red candle, ES
Right,
bullish candle.
right. There
I kind
goes
of
my
like it
alarm.
though. Once this candle flips, it's gonna get aggressive on NQ.
Right. There goes my alarm, everybody. That is the long, and there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. I'm long
Candle
schlong.
volume right there.
There it goes. I'm holding. I want to see a newer high on SPX past this point. If this doesn't wick us all the way out, then a newer high is the move. Let it go. Ooh.
Nasty.
Ooh.
Look at ES. Ugh.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop out of NQ. 10 points. I'm not going to hold this thing past that previous wick low at 35. That was a yucky wick. Missed my TP by 2 points. 2 points. Does the PLH win?
Is that a 3-bar coming in hot right now? Looks like it is. I'm still in the trade. I took the little long ski.
Oh, filling that wick is nice. NQ's dragging a-hole.
But it's like not strong. I feel like this is like kind of getting into like to account pop territory the way this is moving.
It's giving me a lot of chewy bubblegum D right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't want no chewy bubblegum D right now. I want fucking full on fucking dick. Right. Yeah. No, that was me. That was my fault. I shouldn't have. We're just gonna pretend that literally didn't happen. I'm just gonna literally drive on and say the long is looking really good here. We're holding for a newer high, and first PT is at a newer high. However, if you are in the money of 6, 7, 8 points right now, you might want to consider a stop loss at break even. You might want to consider it. I'm holding until we break orb to the upside. Yep, I'm not gonna say anything. So, guys, oh shit, don't forget, huge news. They were sponsored by Tradeify. Make sure you guys lock in with Tradeify, the #1 prop in the game for straight to sim funded, the #1 for 0 denied payouts, and more. Make sure you guys tap in with Tradeify. Seriously, tap in with Tradeify.
It's just a super area of indecision here, but
it's
I
just
like for it to just go up. Like
it's establishing. It's just establishing a solid new support. That's all it's doing, and it's going to create that newer high. Probably this candle right here on a 3-bar up. So right here, hopefully. There it goes. There it goes. Look, bang. First PT hit on the newer high on a 3-bar up. Told you.
But that wick is gross. What the fuck is that about, bro? It's looking at heavy profits.
About 500 and holding the long. And I'm going to move a stop. I'm going to put one stop at 50 and another at 48. And those are my 2 stops for my last 2 minis. Don't want my drawdown to get clapped, but SPX
getting ready. Clap on that wick out. I had 5 in there.
I got SPX. I want to see SPX touch the break orb to the upside. I told you. I'm holding until an SPX break of orb to the upside. We're rolling. I'm up over 600, 700, and fucking cruising right now. I'm going to put both of my stop losses at 50. Both of my stop losses for 2 contracts at 50. Here we go. Bang! There's the orb test. There's the fucking orb test. And right now on a newer high, we're going to trim one more. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Moving my stop loss up to 60. And oh my God. Yep. And we're going to go ahead and close one. Last stop is at bottom of this candle. Bottom of this candle is at my last stop. And we are cooking with gas. I'm up over 900 and long, beautiful long. Both PTs hit. Stopped out right there. Candle flip, stop out on the PA accounts. Let it go. Big Daddy Max is back and everybody missed me. 745 across das PA accounts. There's the long. Hold on. Here's the long.
I think this long looks like it can still go. Look at ES, perfect tap outside of orb. It's just going to continue in 3.
Here's the trade, guys. So you see fresh account, PAs, 745 across the PAs, 20 PAs times 745 is what? Like 14,000, $15,000. 15,000 plus the 500 cash, 15,500. We caught the short. Now you're in the long. Beautiful continuation. Yep, beautiful continuation. Listen, if SPX breaks orb to the upside, you guys got to hold this all the way to 60. If SPX breaks this orb to the upside, you got to hold this all the way up to like the 60 area. No, not even close. No, it has to break. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. NQ could really run up here. NQ could really run up here, guys. So great fucking trading. Wow.
Solid work. The nasty, it's kind of just like perfect. The breakout, the retest, continuation.
Be honest,
You just
guys.
stay outside of this. It's good here.
Be honest, guys.
I put a stop right here on this guy. I need to get a water, bro. Hold up, man.
Damn, we caught the short, we got the long. I'm
We're
feeling
locked in.
fucking
Beverages acquired.
bev acquired.
Oh yeah.
So be honest now.
Really
Be honest
nice.
now.
Yes.
Oh, there's the break, and NQ's going green. There it is, baby. Beautiful.
1.08 and Q's green on the day.
New. There's 30 point, almost 25 points. SPX breaking orb. Nice push through orb right there. That's the scale point. That's the scale point to go longer. If you were long, you go longer. I don't know how much longer I could go. This successful, hitting bangers for you guys. I don't know if I can continue to do it. Seriously, I'm about to retire. I'm about to retire.
Going longer than that is very hard to do.
Yeah. This is sick. It's disgusting how I could just sit back down at the office and get back to work. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to say I missed the chat. I don't miss anyone in the chat. Obviously, I was with Lama, but I do miss sitting here and trading and performing. That was amazing. Like being able to short and then hit the perfect reversal 2 candles in and then ride that thing all the way to a newer high, showing my craft, Llama. I don't like anyone in this fucking chat. I don't want you guys to mistake what I'm saying. All right. 1,600 people here. I don't like any of you, but to fucking sit here and my craft and just do it like so clean every day. It's perfect. Perfect. Vince Lombardi said that you'll never be able to reach perfection, but if you work hard enough, you can reach excellence. And I'm perfect. So that shit doesn't make any sense.